studying in grade 2C at Delhi Public School, Kollam. Today, I'll be sharing my story on the theme of imagination. A moment when I tried something new at school, I felt truly proud. Once upon a time, in my school, we had a show and tell activity. Everyone was bringing their toys, books, or pictures to talk about. But I want to try something new. I imagined myself as a little explorer of nature. So I made a simple model of water and air animals. I drew pictures of fishes, crabs, seahorse, birds, butterflies, and made a chart to show how fishes swim in water and how birds fly in the sky. On the day of activity, I was a little nervous. What if my friends didn't like it? But when my turn came, I explained everything with a smile. My classmates listened me carefully. My teacher clapped, and everyone liked my effort. At that moment, I felt so proud of myself. My imagination has turned into something real. I learned that trying something new can be scary at first, but it also makes us strong and more confident. Imagination gives us wings to fly beyond the ordinary things. That day, a small model became a big victory for me. Thank you.